Hi guys, I showed you I picked up this wooden puzzle in a charity shop the other day, and I took it apart and put it back together, and it took me ages. And then my grandsons found it and took it apart and couldn't put it back together again, so I had to put it back together again. And I thought there must be a logical way to do this, so I've worked out a logical way to do it. So we'll take it apart again, and we'll see if I can demonstrate a logical way of putting it together. Because when I did it in the previous video, it was more or less guesswork. But when I put it back together again after my grandsons had taken it apart, I had a little think before I did it and worked out a way. So we'll see if we can get it right this time. I'm not sure about the best angle for the camera. Right, we definitely need two pieces like that. And to hold them together, a piece like that. A piece like that. And then to hold those bits together, we need a piece go through there like that. And same at this side. Piece go through there like that. And that holds them together. And then we need these two pieces to go down through there. And then we will need, in a minute, these two pieces to go through there. But we'll work on these two next. Right, we need to lock them together the same way, so that will be a piece like that, and a piece like that. Let's hold it there. And we need the same underneath. In fact, it probably would have been better to have done the pieces underneath first. We need a piece like that. Let's see if we can just lift these over, slide them across. Okay. And push that one same place. So they're holding them together. And this is where it gets that tiny bit more complicated. You can push this one through all right to hold them together. But then you can't, when you slide that up, you can't push that one through, which is where you need to do the slide along bit and use the piece that's got the extra notch in it. So that's going to go on there like that, and then that piece slides back again. So that's holding that together. But now we're stuck because we've gone too far and we can't get these in. So we can't do that bit quite yet. So let's take that one out again. Because we need to put these ones through. And to do that, we need to be able to slide that across. Put one in. Slide it the other way. Put the other one in. So they're in position. Then we want that piece and that piece. And we need to slide one along, and the one with the notch in it goes in, goes right the way across, slide that one out again, slide that one back across. So we're now locked in position there, and this is in place. So now we need a couple more bits across there, and we can get this piece in to lock them together, and then we can turn it up the other way, put that piece in, put that piece in, and then you've got this bit that you can't slide across until you slide one of them out the way, put it in the right way round, so that drops in, that one slides back across, that one slides across, and there you are, we're all locked together. And that only took me, what was that, 6 minutes, whereas it took me about half an hour to do it from scratch when I was trying to do it last time. And it's those key pieces with the extra little bit knocked out of them that allow you to do the final trick manoeuvres. And that one. Job done. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.